Okay, we've got our head painted. We've put 2 coats of red on it. So we got this is all done. So now what we got to do is we got to go and start using our brushes, because now we got to hand paint everything. So different type brushes you need for different things. We're going to do like the fingernails here. We want to give that color. We want to do the lip and the mouth part there. We got to do the teeth in here. We want to paint these horns. We're going to paint these horns black. So we're just going to use regular craft paint now, whichever colors we're going to be needing. So we'll get this all painted up, highlighted, and then we'll come back with the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comments section. I'll get back with you. So thanks for watching.